Hello and welcome to Section 6, Lecture 2, Data Storage. Before understanding how data is stored within a computer's memory, we must understand what data storage is. Data storage is a study of computer science involving the storage of computer memory across various areas of a computer system. As learned previously, data is primarily stored in the system in binary. Data storage can be summarized within three categories: primary storage, secondary storage, and offline memory. Primary storage is of two types, RAM and ROM, whereas secondary storage is also of two types, HDD and SSD. Primary storage. Primary storage of a system consists of two integral areas of memory storage, RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory. It is the area where the data, files and part of operating system currently in use is stored. It is volatile or the data stored is temporary. It can be altered or deleted. ROM is read-only memory. Contrary to RAM, ROM is the memory storage area where non-volatile or permanent data is stored. It is often used to store boot-up instructions of a computer system, and data can only be read from this memory, not written. Moving on to the second kind of storage, secondary storage is a non-volatile memory storage that holds data until it is deleted or overwritten. It is usually classified into two types: HDD, hard disk drive, and SSD, solid state drive. Hard disk drives are non-volatile magnetic storage devices in a computer system which can store large sums of data. An electromagnet in the disk head charges the disk surface with either a positive or negative charge. This is how binary 1 or 0 is represented. They can be installed inside a computer or purchased in a portable external format. Solid state drives are primarily the same as hard disk drives, except for the fact that they comprise of NAND chips instead of magnetic surfaces, allowing them to have no moving parts. Therefore, they are much faster and lighter than HDDs. They also run much cooler than HDDs. This diagram and the adjacent picture will help you to picturize it better.